Tiniyak ng Malacanang na matatanggap ng mga retiradong pulis ang kanilang dagdag na pensyon. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda, tiniyak ng Budget Department ang pagre-release ng sa sandaling maisumite ng PNP ang maayos na listahan ng mga pensioners.
Nakatanggap po kami ng text kay Secretary Butchobad. Ito yung sabi niya, makakasiguro sila na tiyak na marirelease yun. Available na po yung funds, but the release is subject to PNP submission of its client's pension roster. So we are aware that at this point, the pensioners, the process of cleaning the pensioners list is 80% complete. This means that of the 62,000 pensioners, about 50,000 pensioners have been vetted at meron na silang registered ATM accounts. The delay in the past was the refusal of some pensioners to secure their ATM, which is an effective way of cleaning up the roster. Kaya required po sila ngayon na magbukas po sila ng ATM account para unang-una i-verify po na sila po ay legitimate at pangalawa po para masigurado po na sila pa ay buhay pa rin po.